is Mamta Madam. Previous class we have already finished up to page 32. Now we are going to start from the page 33, that is the forming numbers. Here first you see the two numbers are there. One is the 69 and another one is the 96. Both the places use the same digit, but the place only changed. You see, if you change the place of the digit, whether the numbers remain same or the value differ. And here is the 6 tens and here is the 9 tens. 6 tens is smaller than the 9 tens. So 69 is smaller than the 96 or 96 is greater than the 69. Here also the three digits we have used 1, 2 and 3. By using these three digits we have to, here is written the three different numbers. So all the three different numbers 231, 123 and 312 are not the same. Now you come to the example here. Here also given three digits given 5, 2 and 9. And now you learn how to form the greatest number and the smallest number by using these three different digits. So when we have to form the greatest number, then first we have to see the which one is the greatest number digit among the 5, 2 and 9. So you know 9 is greater than 5 and 2. So first we have to put 9 in the 100 place. Then second step we have to write down the smallest number. Smallest number is the 2. You have to put this 2 into the ones place. Then the leftover means the 5. 5 you have to put in the tens place. So we have formed the number here 900 plus 50 plus 2, it is the 952. And when we have to form the smallest number, then we have to find out, here you see three numbers are there 0, 3 and 9. So here you have to see which one is the smallest number. So smallest number is the 0 is here, but if we put the 0 in the 100 place, so the number will be formed by the 2 digit only, because in the extreme left the number 0 will remain, means it has no value. So we cannot form the 3 digit number. So we have to put the number next to 0, that is the 3. So we have to put the first the 3 here, then the largest number we have to put in the ones place, and the leftover means the 0 we have to put in the tens place. So the number is formed, that is the 309. So here you children see 3 digit numbers, highest place 100 and second highest place is tens. This one you remember, and this one you remember children. The 3 digit number as 0 in the highest place in a number has no value. So when forming the smallest number, form a given number of digits containing a 0. 0 is always placed in the second highest place. Next one. Here you see form all the 3 digit numbers using the digits 2, 8 and 7. By using the 3 digits here, how many numbers we can form? So this one also stepwise you have to see here. So first we have to choose one number out of the 2, 8 and 7. Suppose we have chosen first the 2. So in the 100 place, both the places we have to put the 2 number here. Then the again second step, remaining 2 digits in the tens and ones place. So after taking 2, remain the 8 and 7. So first we put the 7 in tens place, then 8 in ones place. Then step 3, interchange the digits in the tens and the ones place. So which one was in the tens place, we have to take to the ones place, and which one was in the ones place, we have to take to the tens place. So we get another number 287 here. So now you see the other numbers formed are same way we have to do. Here is the 728, 782, 827, 872. Because first we have taken the 2, next one we have to take the 7 in the 100 place. Then 8 in the 100 place. Likewise you have to form the 6 numbers we have got here. Now you see here this one. If the form all the 3 digit numbers using the digits, suppose 5, 0, 8. If one number is there, 0 is there, how can we form how many numbers will be formed here, you have to see. First place, you have taken the 5 here, 100 place. So, tens place 0 and ones place 8. So, 508, again by changing the place, 580 is here. And again here you see, if we take the 8 in the 100 place, then 805 and 850. But if we put the 0 in the 100 place, then we will get the 58 here and 85. So the 0 is the extreme left, no value. So 58 is not a 3-digit number and 85 is not a 3-digit number. So only you will get the 4 numbers here. And another one example you see here. When we form all the 3-digit numbers using the digits 707. Here the tens place one digit you have taken the 0 and the another 2 digit you have taken the same digit. So what will happen here, you see 707, then again 770 means 707 and 770. And the again if you put the 0 in the 100 place, so 77. So it cannot be formed 3 digit. And again you will change the another 7 if you put in the front, then also same number. Here 707, here also 707. So only 2 numbers can be formed, 707 and 770. And form all the 3-digit numbers using the digits 3 only. If the all the places by putting comma will take the 3 only, so only one number, that is 333. When we change their place, we find the same number only. Now you come to the use the digits given below. Exercise 7 here. Use the digits given below to form 3-digit greatest and the smallest number. You add the 3 digit here. Otherwise some problem will be there. So you add 3 digits there. So first one you see 3 digits are here, 4, 8 and 1. So when you have to form the greatest number, the highest number is with the 8, it should be in the 100 place, and 1 is the smallest one, that is in the ones place. And the leftover means 4, it should be in the middle or in the tens place. Likewise, you can do all this. And here you see 0, 7, 9. The highest one is the 9 and the small one is the 0 and the leftover one is the 7. So it should be in the tens place. Now come to the here smallest number here. If we will not write the 3-digit number here, then the smallest number formed by the 079 will be only 79. But if I have added here 3 digit, so 7, then the 0, then 9, 709. So you cannot put the 0 in the front, so that you cannot make the 3-digit number here. Form all the possible 3-digit numbers using the following digits without repeating. We don't have to repeat the numbers, but we have to form all the possible 3-digit numbers here. So this one 6, 1 and 7. So you know how to form the numbers. This one you will do by yourself in the rough copy, you can do it. 600, 617. Then we can form the 671. Likewise, you can form it. Even and odd numbers. Even numbers, the numbers that form pairs are called even, and the numbers, these are the pairs here. Here suppose you are given the 6 socks. So even numbers we can say we have to taking by 2 socks, we can make 1 pair. So here we can form the 3 pairs of socks. A set of 2 objects make a pair. Here 6 is grouped into 2, so 6 is an even number. So which one is the odd numbers? The numbers that do not form pairs are called odd numbers. Here you see 7 socks are here. So we can form the, by taking the 2 socks or 1 pair socks, we can make the 3 pairs here and 1 is left over. So 7 is a number, odd number. Here 7 is not grouped into pairs completely, so 7 is an odd number. Now you see how can we identify which one is the even and which one is the odd numbers. Look for the digits in the ones place here. Digits like the 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is called the even numbers, and digits 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are the odd numbers. But these are all the 1-digit number. So when we go for the tens place or the 100 place or 3-digit, 2-digit number, it will be difficult for us to find out which one is the even number, which one is the odd number. So the easy way, same way we can follow here. Suppose we have taken here the 3-digit number here. We have to mark only the ones place. Here is the 0 is in the ones place. Here 2 is in the ones place. Here 4 is in the ones place. 6 and 8. So whatever may be the number, we have to mark only the ones place. If the ones place number is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So you have to find out that these numbers are the even numbers. The same way, the odd numbers also, the ones place number you have to mark. If the ones place number is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So these are the odd numbers. Now here you see all numbers are either odd or even. Every odd number is followed by an even number, and every even number is followed by an odd number. How? You see, we have seen here that every odd number is followed by an even number, and every even number is followed by an odd number. 120, last one is the ones place 0 is here, so it is the even number, followed by next number 121, it is an odd number. Again the odd number followed by the another number, it is the 122, which is the even number. Likewise you can mark it here. Next question. Circle the objects to make pairs, write even or odd. So you see here all these 4 groups are here, or the 4 pairs are here and 1 left over. So it is an odd number. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are there in pairs. So it is an even number. Here also even, and this one is left over. So it is the odd number. Here circle the even numbers. So we have already discussed. You have to mark the ones place only. So because it is 5 here, it cannot be an even number. So it is the 228, 430, 222. These are the even numbers here. And here 510, 450, 756. These are the even numbers. And likewise C and D also you do. Identify the odd numbers and write them in the given space. So here you see the odd numbers you have to find out. Here you see last the ones place number is 5. Here also 5. So these are the odd numbers. And here also 431, 101 and the 923. These are the odd numbers. And this place also C and D also you see the same way you will do it. Look for the pattern, then continue the line. Here you mark the one pattern is here, and they already started the line from the number digit 2. 2, then 4, then 6. Now you are seeing the one even number followed by one odd number. So odd number is missing here. After 2, 3 comes, but 3 is not here. 2, then 4, then 6. That means all the even numbers we have to take and we have to mark. Connect them with a line. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Now here also you mark another line is here. Starting from the 1, then 3, then 5. Then 1 pattern you have marked here. All numbers are the odd numbers. So even numbers you have already skipped. So 1, 3, 5, 7, then 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, then the 19. So these 2 patterns you have seen here. One is the even number pattern and one is the odd number pattern here. Then come to the ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers means what? Ordinal numbers show the order in which the objects are lined up or positioned. It speaks about the position of a number, where the number is. So first you see how many cars are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you ask anyone, so how many cars are there? They can say there are 10 cars. But according to the position of the car, which car in the red car is in the which position? So we can say first position, 4th position, or in the 8th position. Likewise we can say. So the car near the board is in the which position? First position. The car last car is in which position? It is in the 10th position. So these one first, second, third, 4th, 5th, 6th. Likewise, when you say about regarding the position, it is called the ordinal numbers. Now you come to the see the exercise 9 here. Draw 6 flowers. So I have already made the 6 flowers here. Color the 6th flower. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. 6th flower only you have to put the color. Draw 10 beads. 10 beads already I have drawn here. And color the 7th and the 2nd and 4th with red color. And the 7th and 9th with the blue color. I have written here red. And the blue I have mentioned here, you put the color here. Look at the word and answer the questions that follow. Here given the M-A-T-H-E-M-A-G-I-C, math magic. Then M is at the dash and dash positions. So the letter M is in the first position and in the 6th position. Then dash is at the 8th position. So which letter is in the 8th position? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8th position is the G. C is at the 10th position. And E is the 5th letter. Turn the page. Last one is the practice sheet is given for you. This one. Look at the blocks. Write the number. So you already know this block is of the 100. The 100 cubes are there. Unit cubes are there, and here the sticks are having the 10. So 100, 100, then 2 sticks are there, so 20, and the 3 unit blocks are there, 3, 123. Fill in the blanks. 10 more than 580 means 580 plus 10 is the 590. 100 less than 880, that means 880 minus 100, it is the 780. 480 is equal to 4 hundreds. 8 is in the tens place, 8 tens and 0 ones. The number just before 999 means 999 minus 1, it is the 998. 789 is equal to, we can write in the digit also, 7, 8 and 9, and we can read as 789. 600 plus 40 plus 5 makes 645. Arrange these numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to greatest in the increasing order. So I have written here already. First one you see the mark the 100 place here. Here 1, here 4, here 2, here 1. So both the places we are getting the 100 place 1 and 1. So if you get the same number in the 100 place, then you have to compare in the 10th place. So 10th place here is 9. And here is 2. So 9 is greater than the 2. So 2 is the smallest number. So 129 is the smallest one. Then 195, 291. Then last one, the biggest number is the 419. Here also the same way you do 116, 611, 161 and 716. Here you see 116. Here is 161. Tens place you see here is 1, here is 6. So 6 is greater than the 1. So 116 is the smallest one. 116, 161, 611, 716. Arrange these numbers in descending order. Means the descending order means the decreasing order. This is the from the biggest to the smallest. So biggest number here you see the 100 place 6, 6, 7, 7. 2 places you are finding the 7 here. But 10 place you mark here. Here 0, here is the 6. So 6 is greater than the 0. So 760, 706, 670 and 607. 944, 945, 316, 511. So 944, then comes the 511, then the 495, then the 316 last. Compare the numbers using the greater than or the smaller than. 167, here is the 128. 100 place both are equal, but 10th place it differ. The 6 here and here is the 2. 6 is greater than the 2. So 167 is the greater number and 128 is the smaller one. So 159, 161 also you see which one is greater, which one is smaller. Then you mark the, put the sign here. All this. Circle the even numbers and underline the odd numbers. So you have already studied this one. This one very easy for you to do. So you know for the even numbers, the ones place would be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So you mark only the ones place. Here is 0, here is 4, and here is 0, here is 0, here is 2. So these are the even numbers, and leaving that 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, you have to mark here is 1, here is 1, here is 5, then 3. So these are the odd numbers. So I have already circled the even numbers and underlined the odd numbers. Make the greatest and the smallest number using the given digits without repetition. So 3 digits given here, 4, 5, 9. So already I have written here, 1 is the greatest, 1 is the smallest. Greatest, 954 is the greatest and 459 is the smallest one. Here 9 and 5, 2 digits given. So 9 is greater than the 5. So here is 95 and here is the 59. So our chapter 1 already finished here. So hope children, you all have already finished up to the 38. If you have not completed, complete it in your book.